Hey everyone, my name is Stefan. I'm a consultant with FIELDBOSS, and I'm here to talk to you. I'm going to redo it. I'm here to give you 3 industry insights in how you can get your HVAC maintenance contracts under control. So the first insight is about efficient scheduling and billing. One of the biggest challenges HVAC contractors face when it comes down to managing their maintenance contracts is really the ebb and flow nature of seasonal changeovers. When the first heat wave really hits, clients want their AC turned on yesterday. So trying to find a balance of making sure that all of the maintenance tickets are created and scheduled, and the invoices get out the door is really crucial. Being able to see what building locations need service scheduled, what customers need to be invoiced is going to be very critical in ensuring this gets scheduled and billed. So let me jump into FIELDBOSS now and show you how we can help you solve these problems. One of the biggest issues is having a big data set of jobs that you need to either dispatch or invoices that you need to process. We have views that are set up to display all of the building locations that require maintenance for this month, and all you need to do is select the records that you want to create a service activity for, and then press one button to process them. This is going to create a ticket and send that out to the technician in the field. Similarly to invoicing, we have views that will show contracts that require invoicing this month or next month, and then you're able to quickly select all of the contracts you need to invoice, go back, and then press one button to generate those invoices. Our second insight is really how to take the guesswork out of retaining and tracking equipment history, service record, or maintenance checklists. During heavy peak seasons, it's difficult enough to actually get technicians scheduled. To collect and actually document all of that paperwork can lose a lot of sight on what work was performed and key information that our clients want. To fix this, you really need a centralized location for all of this to be stored, but also an easy way for your field staff to be able to document what kind of work they're doing, and also leverage any kind of checklists that they may need to make sure that they're completing all of the tasks that are required, or completing any kind of maintenance routine work that needs to be done. Let's jump into FIELDBOSS, and I'll show you how technicians are able to use the Resco mobile app to see all of their service work, but also add in important documentation that needs to be completed for maintenance, like any kind of checklists. You simply just select the checklist that's relevant to your maintenance visit, answer the appropriate questions, submit it, and then it'll sync back to FIELDBOSS. Gone are the days where you're going to forget a maintenance checklist in a rooftop unit control cabinet. So the third insight is how we're actually going to be able to analyze our maintenance contract and make sure that they're profitable. So one of the biggest challenges is really data integrity. So if you don't collect good information from your techs on site, if you're not able to really retain and store all of the maintenance history, hours spent, and costs associated with it, you're really not able to start even analyzing how profitable your contracts are. And if you do have that data, how are you able to effectively do that? So what you really need for this is a tool to help you not only visualize, but ensure that the data that's coming in is really accurate. FIELDBOSS offers several Power BI reports that help consolidate all of that information and display it in a way that's digestible and really easy for you to interpret. For example, we offer a maintenance margin dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of key performance metrics for your maintenance contracts. This includes billing by month, top 10 customers by billings or margin, as well as your top 10 contracts by margin. You're also able to drill into a detailed view that will list out your year-over-year margin for all of your maintenance contracts or your customers. This is really going to be key in identifying what contracts need help. One way that we can help solve that as well is by leveraging escalations. You're going to be able to ensure that any kind of struggling contracts are adjusted on contract renewal and make sure that you're hitting your target margins and profit. So those were the 3 insights we wanted to share with you to really help you get your HVAC maintenance contracts back under control. We here at FIELDBOSS love talking about this and trying to solve problems. So if you want to know more, just reach out. I blacked out, so I don't know what I said.